Hi friends, this is your Python partner here. Today we are going to see what is F strings in Python. And F stands for format. So this is a very useful feature inside this Python programming. So the thing is, if you are going to display some string messages and inside that message you are required to show the value of a particular variable, then you can just go for this f string feature. So syntax for writing this f string is very simple. So you have to start that f string with f, small f, okay, and before the quotes can be single or double as you wish, and your message is starting, and in between where you have to have that variable's value, there you are required to write a variable name within braces. Okay, so once when the Python interpreter reads an f string, it is just going to replace that variable name with that particular variable's value. So for example, here I have given two variables, country and hobby. So country is the variable referencing India and hobby is the variable referencing string S programming. And this f string, I have given this f string into an variable name message. So I have given here as I'm from, within the braces I have written the variable name country, and I love, within the braces again I have given the variable name hobby. So once when I'm going to print this message, our output would be like I am from, this country has been replaced by this value which the country is referencing to. So here country is referencing to India. So our output would be like I'm from India and I love programming. So this is very useful feature, friend, and you can just practice as much as you can so that you will just get used to this feature. And that's it about f strings. So friends, next we are going to see the common syntax error associated with string. Okay, so here in this variable message I have written I love India's tradition. Okay, so here I have used single quotes and as well as apostrophe. So the problem here with this variable message is Python will interpret that first code along with this apostrophe as a string message, and apart from that everything will be interpreted as Python code. So we will get a syntax error. So this is a very common type of error when using this quotes inside the string. So in order to correct this, we can go for this double quotes at the start. So once when the Python interpreter starts to read this variable value I love India's tradition, at first it will see double quotes, then from there it is seeing it is a single quote, so it is not the end of string messages. So again it is moving, and once when it sees this double quote it understands, so it is a string message and inside that message it is an apostrophe s. So we won't get any sort of errors, any sort of syntax errors here. So friends, you just try this with several times and just create errors intentionally in order to understand this thing very clearly. That's all for today, friends. So this is your Python partner. Join me in this journey of learning. Bye bye. Take care.